Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you, brother. All our chairs for food. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, thanks, and myself, my Polo.
Good, man. You're taking the game today?
Yeah, first of all, I just want to accommodate my family at home, so I want to speak with my language today.
No problem.
Yeah.
I am
Yeah, really, ni kusuka kaya man, we mela batonga machangani. As a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, itlange kahle.
Yeah.
Itlange kahle lero araku. Kuna selection engata ku coach here and wrong or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Mina ningosola shishing mara I saw it's an encouragement going forward ka coach. Sometimes anga replace munhu lo bang chava ku ground. Ba isala ba ai ba kumini.
Imani iphili.
Yeah, phili ai ba kumini kodwa imani. Instead of adding the power ya Mduduzi Chabalala, Mfundo Vilakazi, ba complementana na that boy. Langa little pit. But I might have never been 3. Because they were not there at all, to be honest. Aba koma ball bona, ba rotate ball, ba tellanda, ba koma ball, ba rotate ball, ba tellanda. So the only thing let's have foundation if I frustrating first half, defensive.
Oh yeah.
Second half, I find a balanda straight because put Duba, put that guy, Duduzi, put Cheslen and Villarreal. It's fine. Eliminate 1 or 2 central midfield and put more attacking, so then we can go pound to pound.
Exactly.
Lamanga idlakona bayidlayela ukubona bafaka athi firepower bondlovu that boy from overseas lo are America that Mailu yeah bayendle kuba pusha that boy where man that South American
Leon.
No, without Leon. That one was midfield. Esongulukubonaka Alende. Lo ungena that Dove and a complement because Obas it was just a robot first half. Lo ungena bafala bafike bayadla Alende a gain of form, which means I got not a ball player total. It's a team lo against the ball player going forward for my coach. Now I learn to team against the ball player. Now I must add some ball player so that you can go pound to pound.
Exactly.
Because we've got the quality, we've got the good youngsters, promising youngsters.
Yeah.
Labanga ngaba match up. I want to disagree about Botala Lababa Kaizer Chiefs, they've got no quality. For my side, when we've got a lot of quality.
What the injury?
The injury total doesn't matter because game plan here the coach it was fine. 3 central defender at the right, Maralaga midfield. Second half eliminate one of that one Mteto Rondo because even to replace Mabuya. It was a wrong substitute because Mabuye was trying to play and I link defense into attack. So instead of replacing Mabu, replace one of Ndovu. Not that guy, Mteto, Fakati powers, one Mduduzi. Because Mduduzi he can mark, he can dribble, he can run with the defense. So I thought about Lankakas. No, I can't some pull over my.
Can say in a booty. Thank you.